Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, stock reference number 5643. The shape runs from the 10th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a Coyote 5-litre V8 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 5-litre Coyote V8 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, daytime running light, left-hand daytime running light, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror, right hand tail light, right door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, Satnav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with paddle shift, cruise, audio and phone buttons.